Today we present to you ANENG's Intelligent Portable Electric Soldering Iron. Open the package, remove the smart soldering iron, and accessories. Available Linto colors, the cap twisted and opened, quick disassembly and easy replacement, lead-free soldering iron knife head, ceramic heating core, new centralized heating, support PD, QC fast charging adapter, Type-C interface, support power bank power supply, go out to work, it can be switched between C and F, temperature calibration, adjustable -99 × 99 degrees Celsius, automatic shutdown, settable off, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. It heats up very quickly without waiting. Let's run a test. It's cool now, it's starting to heat up. Speed 10 in 1 seconds. The molten tin was extremely smooth. Fast wiring increases efficiency. Small components are precisely tin mounted. The temperature can be adjusted freely. Temperature control is accurate and stable. Intelligent prevention of burns. Save power. Saving electricity is more worry-free. Small and portable.